All right, so in this problem, we're looking at the future predicted value of a home. Now, I told you the good news about a mortgage and spending all that interest is that typically a house will appreciate in value, which means that the value will go up. Now, there's a formula for finding predicted value, so let's look at that formula. The formula says that the predicted value of a home equals the original price of the home times 1 plus the rate of increase raised to the y power, where y is the number of years. So P is what we're trying to find. We're trying to find what will the home be worth after a certain amount of time. All right, V is the cost of the home initially. And so in this case, it's $316,000, I'm sorry, $316,420 times 1 plus the rate of increase, which is R. Here it's 4.5%. If we change 4.5% into a decimal, it's going to be 0.045. So it's 0.045 raised to the number of years. Well, how many years from now do we want to know its value? We want to know in 20 years. So I'm just going to raise that to the 20th power. All right, so now order of operations tells me I have to do what's inside my parentheses first. So I'm not doing anything with $316,420 yet. So I'm just going to add these two numbers together and I get 1.045 raised to the 20th power. Now, I'm not going to write all this out. I'm going to put in my calculator. Let me flip the light on. My calculator's not working here. I'm going to do 1.045 raised to the 20th power, because we're looking at 20 years, and I get this gigantic decimal, and I'm going to multiply that. I'm just going to leave it in my calculator. I'm not going to worry about writing it down because I could make mistakes if I did that. But I'm going to take that decimal and I'm going to multiply it times 316,420, which was the original cost of the home. And I find that the new value, or the predicted value, is $763,115 approximately, which is this answer choice right here. And remember, they paid $316,000 and something for the house. If they live in it for 20 years and they pay off their mortgage, the house will predictably be worth $763,115. That's why people say that homes are an investment. All right, that wraps us up.